Welcome to Module 1 of the Outlier Content System, the death of helpful content. Most creators are stuck on a content treadmill, posting constantly and wondering why nobody's listening. You're working hard, but are you playing the right game? You're pouring hours into 3 tips to do this, 5 ways to do that, feeling productive, and yet attracting 0 high-ticket clients. The worst advice you've ever followed is, just provide value. It sounds noble, but it's the fastest path to invisibility. Let's break down the fatal flaw that turns your valuable effort into background noise. Because in today's market, information is free, abundant, and frankly, worthless. You are competing with systems that can generate information faster than you can type it. If your content can be replaced by a Google search or an AI query in 3 seconds, it is not premium content. You're not building authority. You're training your audience to never pay you for what you give away so freely. The breakthrough doesn't come from posting more. It comes from understanding the psychology of attention. The creators winning right now aren't more helpful, they're more decisive. They command attention, they don't chase it. They don't teach more. They make people see the world differently, through a unique, unmissable lens. Your content must shift from Channel 1 News, just facts, to Channel 2 HBO, providing revelation and change. This is the core difference between being a free textbook and being an essential thought leader. And once someone sees differently, once you reveal a truth about their costly problem, they can't unsee it. That's where demand begins. If you want to stop being a free resource and start becoming a category, subscribe to the full Outlier Content Engine Blueprint.